Hey guys, welcome back to Inner Beauty. My name is Maria Macabo. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. If you're returning subscribers, you're always welcome, guys. Don't forget to watch till the end because this topic is juicy. I just want to show you three different type of fussy hair, guys. So I have three of my lovely sisters here with three type of fussy hair: the feel to it, the way to moisturize it, the way to wash it, and then also it takes time to do all this, guys. So I just want to encourage you the best and easy way how to wash it and moisturize it with the right product. The product might not work for everybody, but guys, stay tuned and watch till the end. This might give you some tip. Okay, number one, you've got a feel like plasticky, then also dryness texture to it. This is number one. Number two, you've got tough and dry hair, and then strong. This is this kind. All right, as you can see it, you might not feel it with me, but I felt it, guys. So that's the describe I am giving you. So if yours feel the same like that, you can always resonate with this video. So this is number three. This is mixed texture hair, fussy hair. You've got the plasticky feel, the dryness, the tough, and then the strongness to it, guys. So with my 20 years experience of being a hairdresser, seeing different type of fussy hair, this is the type of fussy hair they have. These three type. So these are the hair that is really dry, and it to moisturize it, it takes time. And if you don't do it the right way, you get confused, you feel like it's hard, and with the wrong product even make it more harder to dealt with this kind of hair, guys. Don't worry, fussy hair, that if you know how to deal with fussy hair, is the best hair ever, trust me. And it's hard for them to retain length just because they don't know how to moisturize it with the right product, especially when it comes to washing. So your wash day routine, these are the products you need: aloe vera gel, hair mayonnaise, shampoo, conditioner. You can also add leave-in conditioner to this as well. Look for something that is resonate with your scalp and your hair. So guys, these are the products you need. So when you have your fussy dry hair and plasticky feel, tough, dryness, this kind of product do help. Wash the hair with shampoo. Once you wash it with shampoo, then you go ahead and add the hair mayonnaise, aloe vera, then with the conditioner, just like the way I'm adding it to the hair now. Massage it very well. You have to massage for at least 20 minutes. You can see the product still sits there. So what you need to go with now, it's plastic bag. Do twist and go with plastic bag. Leave it to steam for 20 minutes before you wash it out. This way it helps the product to penetrate into the hair cuticle and leave it soft. So after you've washed the product out, if you want to moisturize with fussy hair, you need whip butter. You need water base into a bottle. I've got a lot of videos, guys, how to mix this water base. Yes, leave-in conditioner, oil, and boiling water. Then you add it into a spray bottle. Then you need whip butter that got lots of different oils. Guys, when you have fussy hair, if you are somebody that doesn't know how to make your DIY product, you need somebody who knows how to make all this whip butter and everything. You should make those people your friend so they help you with your hair, guys. Okay, so you can go ahead and spray that water onto the hair. Then you put the whip butter. As you can see how the whip butter just sit there, but then you massage it in so the product can get into the hair. So you can see how the product still sit there, but don't worry, that's how it does with fussy, plastic, tough and dry and hard. It's hard for the product to absorb. Just keep combing the hair, massage it in, and then it will eventually resonate with the hair follicles, guys. I am telling you. Yes, this is the way. These are the products you need. If you keep using whip butter, you understand. So sometimes coconut and butter as well, it helps soften fussy hair, but it's a routine that you have to do. You have to take time to do these things. You see, when you take time to do these things, it works and your hair will become soft. The moment you know the product that resonates with your hair type, you will enjoy your hair. As you can see, when the product is going into the hair cuticles, it takes time. to be honest. You see? So sometimes if you want, you just apply the product, you do twist and leave it there. You wear like a scarf, you understand, or you wear your hair bonnet and leave it. The next day you can go ahead now and use the hot comb. As you can see, the product is resonate with the hair cuticles. You can see it looks softer now. So you can just go ahead and comb it and stretch it. Guys, this M4C hair, it's lovely to rock. If you know the right product to use, go to the professional and seek help. They might help you more. So as you can see, this is the mixed texture 4C hair, yeah, which is really dry, plastic feel, tough, and all that. So all you need water base. When I showed her when she came in, she resonated with the hair. You see, because she's using my butter, but she doesn't know how to use it. Because the day she came to buy the water and then the whipped butter, I was busy in the shop. So she came for condos and I showed her how to do. I just sprayed the water and I was busy that day, so I couldn't film everything, guys. This is why I don't film, because too busy in the shop. So I spray the water. Once I finish spray the water, then I add in the whipped butter, as you can see. Then I told her you have to massage it. The moment you had it, you have to massage it very well. Then the product can seal in to the hair cuticles. So that way it leave your hair soft. And that's what happened. Then I did big contours for her. You see? So now she's going to come back. When she come back, I'll make a full video how to moisturize and do everything and explain in details, guys, okay? This water helped. You can use it to moisturize your hair twice a week or 3 times. Sometimes you feel like you want to relax your hair just because you don't have the help you need with your 4C hair. Ask question, I will help you.